I promised some friends that I would give them a little video about how I do my sourdough. So this is for them. If you really want to stay, you can. So I flour my surface first. This is my dough after it's done its bulk rise overnight. I do like 10 to 12 hour bulk rise. So I'm just scraping it out of my bowl onto a floured surface. You don't really need that fancy dusting tool, but it makes it so much more fun. So I just scrape it all out. I dust the inside of my banneton. I have the like silicone ones. I really like them. They fold down easy for storage. Then I did a double loaf. So I'm cutting my loaf in half with my little scraper tool and putting half to the side. Then I spread out my dough into like a big rectangle, the best that I can. And then you just tri-fold it like a brochure, just like that. Then we're gonna turn it, kind of flop it around, turn it, and like roll it all the way up like so, and then kind of like scoop it back. I think there's a special term for this. I don't know what it is, but I just kind of like tuck and fold, use the scraper, scrape it up, and plop it right in. I covered this one with a tea cloth until I'm ready to bake it. Now I'm going to do my second loaf. This one, I'm going to do inclusions. And honestly, any type of inclusions you want to do, I'm just doing chocolate chips. This is how you do it. You just sprinkle them on. You could do jalapeno cheddar. You could do pepperoni and mozzarella. You could do white chocolate and strawberries. You could do blueberries. Anything you want. You do it just like this. Make sure you put some in that center before you roll it up and just kind of like tuck everything in the best you can. I am not a very technical person when it comes to my sourdough. This tends to work for me. I know people are very technical, but I feel like that can get a little overwhelming if you're new. So this is what I do. I decided to bake my chocolate chip loaf first. So my oven was preheating to 450 with my cast iron in the oven, so it's nice and piping hot. I'm using my scoring tool to make a little design, and now I'm putting my sourdough with the parchment paper inside my Dutch oven and putting the lid on top. It's okay if your paper is out on the sides. So this is my chocolate loaf all done. Now, I decided to do my regular plain loaf later at night. So I put this in the fridge for, it was like 8 hours. And then when I got home, I baked it. And this is how it came out. So hopefully this is helpful.